Hiya pals, welcome to Discover, your soon-to-be favorite place on the internet if you're dreaming of a Disney vacation but don't know exactly how to start planning one. On this channel, we're sharing a complete guide on Disney destination vacation planning to help you have the Disney vacation of your dreams. Or if you're looking for a fairy godmother to wave their magic wand and give you the storybook ending that you're looking for, I can help with that too. My name is G, and I'm a Disney travel agent with Academy Travel. And now that we're fast to becoming BFFs, let's go over a few things, shall we? Just like in real life, we all start our education off with the ABCs. Well, funny enough, Disney Travel also has its own alphabet of acronyms and abbreviations that any guest worth their Mickey pretzel salt should know. I know this is supposed to be a glossary and it's not in alphabetical order, but please, there is a method to my madness.
You may have noticed that I'm not all there.
Just accept that it's a glossary that is categorized, but if you do want it in alphabetical order, please let me know down in the comments. Or if there's something that I've missed and something that I should have added, please let me know in that comments as well. And I'd love to hear more about your feedback on this video. Disneyland Resort in California, DL, Disneyland. The original park, created by Walt Disney, opened in 1955, and it is full of nostalgia and charm. DCA, Disney's California Adventure. This is the second theme park in Disneyland Resort, and it is full of thrilling rides featuring the lands of Radiator Springs, Marvel's Avengers Campus, and Pixar Pier, which features your favorite Pixar pals. DTD, Downtown Disney. A shopping and dining area with great food, treats, and live music, and no theme park ticket needed. Walt Disney World in Florida. This place is ginormous. It is about 25,000 acres, roughly the size of the city of San Francisco, and it consists of 4 theme parks, 2 water parks, of 25 resorts, and shopping and dining, all within its bubble. When people say they're going to Disney, this is usually what they mean. MK, the Magic Kingdom. This is the most iconic, most visited theme park in the entire world. It features Cinderella's castle and iconic rides, plus fireworks. It is the heart of Disney World. Epcot, which is kind of cheating because it's already an acronym, but it stands for Environmental Prototype Community of Tomorrow. And it was Walt Disney's vision of merging world culture and the future of innovation and imagination. And it's most known for its wonderful festivals like Festivals of the Arts, Food and Wine, and Flower and Garden, HS. Hollywood Studios. Originally named Disney's MGM Studios, it is an immersive playground for blockbuster franchises. Star Wars, Toy Story, and coming soon, Monsters Inc., aka the Animal Kingdom. Think exploration, adventure, globetrotting, and the world of Avatar? It's the largest theme park in Walt Disney World by size, and it's for those who like to revel in the wonders of nature. DS, Disney Springs. Disney Springs is a massive Disney dining and shopping district that is all conveniently found within its bubble. Here you'll find the world's largest Disney store called the World of Disney. BB, Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach is a snow-themed water park. Yep, you heard that right. Where a freak snowstorm happens in Florida and the ski resort just starts melting. So everywhere it's melted. It's a lot of fun though. TL, Typhoon Lagoon. Disney's second water park is themed around the aftermath of typhoon, and it just makes me wonder what Disney execs were thinking. They're always thinking about these natural disasters. Blizzard Beach, Typhoon Lagoon, you'll enjoy it nonetheless. DCL, Disney Cruise Line. Disney Cruise Line sails to different destinations around the world in Disney's class of 9 different ships, I want to say, and there are more coming on the horizon. DLP, Disneyland Paris. Disneyland Paris is Disney's only European park. It opened originally as Euro Disney back in 1992, and it features classic rides like Big Thunder Mountain. This resort area is also home to another park, Walt Disney Studios Park, which is currently being renamed as Disney Adventure World. I left this park out of the list since the name is being changed and there is no widely used acronym to share. TDL, Tokyo Disneyland. Tokyo Disneyland is arguably one of fans' favorite parks around the world, and it is heralded for its innovative animatronics and beautiful live entertainment. TDS, Tokyo Disney Sea. It is widely considered the best designed Disney park in the world, and it's definitely a must visit for serious Disney fans. HKDL, Hong Kong Disneyland, home to the unique Mystic Manor, their version of the Haunted Mansion, and the new World of Frozen Land. SDL, Shanghai Disneyland. It's one of the newest Disney parks, has a giant castle, the original Tron ride, and Zootopia Land. So there you have it, from DL to SDL. Now you know your Disney destinations. If you think I've missed any of the acronyms, please comment down below. Let me know what I've missed. Teach me a thing or two. Or if you learned something new, I want to hear about that too. In the next episode, we'll break down the abbreviations and acronyms for Disney's hotels and resorts in the domestic parks and around the world. So you'll know your pop from your Polly and where to stay on your next trip. And if you want to become fluent, please do me the favor of hitting the subscribe button to follow this channel and like this video in order to see more content like this in the future. All right, discoverers, remember there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. So keep dreaming, keep planning, and join us to find out what we discovered next.